Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use Discord. So because of COVID-19 and lockdowns in many countries, it's quite hard to talk to your friends. Discord is a voice and text and video calling app which is free. So to use Discord, you'll have to go to the website discordapp.com. And then you'll have to download the app for your platform. So I'm using Linux, so then I'll click on download for Linux. So once you've downloaded it and installed it, you'll see a screen like this. Welcome back, we're so excited to see you again. And you'll see an email and password. What you need to do is click here where it says need your account and then click register. And then enter in the email you'd like to use with your Discord account. So I'm just going to type and then pick your username, which could be anything. So I can put Dan Tech Boy Test. Then here where it says password, pick the password that you'd like to use for your account. And click on continue. And then press the check mark, I'm not a robot. Then do the CAPTCHA. So in this case, I need to click on all of the pictures with fire hydrants, and then click verify when there are no fire hydrants left. Okay, so now I can see that there are no fire hydrants, so I'll just click verify. And then I have to click all the images with boats. This can be really frustrating sometimes. And I'll click verify. And it says they're connecting. And now I am inside Discord. So there's two types of chats in Discord. There are servers and DMs. DM stands for direct messages, which is when you directly speak with someone instead of having an entire server for it. So the first thing you want to do once you get into Discord is to actually create a server. So just press the plus and click create a server and pick the server name in the icon. So let's go like test server, and then here you can pick the icon, but I'm not really going to do that for now. So then you just click create, and you'll see this, invite friends to test server. So you can copy the link if you like, and then send it to the people if they have a Discord account. If they don't use Discord, then show them this video and then invite them. So just close it, and then if you'd like to invite people later, you can just click invite people over here. So there's two types of channels. There's text channels and there's voice channels. Text channels are for text messages, not really SMS, but like messages that are text. Voice channels, on the other hand, are when you can talk to someone in voice through Discord, which is really cool. It's like Skype calls, but a lot better. So here, there's the Nitro GIF button, there's the GIF button, which you can use to add GIFs, and the emoji button, which you can use to add emojis. So next thing I'm going to show you is how you can actually start a DM. So what you're going to need to do is click home, and then if the person is using Discord, see here where it says add friend, just type in their Discord username, and then type in hashtag and then their Discord tag, which I'll give you, and then click send friend request. Then you'll see them appear in this list. You can just click them and message them. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you found it informative. Stay safe and bye.